I did all kinds of jobs growing up, selling food at festivals and fairs, taking pictures of celebrities on the red carpet, being a travel show host, doing fine art photography and go to art shows and meet collectors, being a real estate agent, yoga teacher, all different types. I had no idea what I really liked to do, and the only way I could find out was by doing it. The reason why I'm making this show is because I'm really curious to know how people have a full-time job and do what they love to do on the side. I realize that some of these people, they do it just for fun. Some of these people, they do it and they make a ton of money. But something they always tell me is they feel most alive when they're doing their side hustle. I don't believe life is one job and then you die. I want it to bounce around all over the world. We are not defined by our day jobs. My name's Alex Sway, and this is my side hustle. If you like what you see, the best thing you can do to help me is to share this episode with one other person.